Today, with help from the Makeup in Time beauty channel, we are going to be taking a look at this Neewer Bicolor LED studio light kit. Now, we have recently done a fair few unboxings and reviews on YouTube channel startup products, like the Neewer Studio Light Ring and some Neewer Studio microphone kits too. And I guess I'm hoping this light set is as good as the initial specs and pictures depict. So without further ado, let's delve right in, shall we? So the box, like a lot of Neewer products, is simple and plain. Inside we have 3 Neewer 480 LED light kits and 3 tripod light stands. We do only need one set for now, which I think I'm gonna pick this one just here. All 3 light kits do have exactly the same contents. And well, in this particular box, we have a nifty Neewer zip bag, which includes a handy contents card, a very specific and detailed instruction setup guide. There's a 2.5G wireless remote control that takes 2 AAA batteries, which has a built-in backlit LCD display, which displays the LED light colour, temperature and channel settings. So I guess you can set this remote control to work with all 3 lights. There is indeed the power brick and the Neewer Studio light itself. And it's certainly light and thin too. It's around 2 inches thick. It has detachable barn doors already fitted, which is great, so you don't have to buy them separate. It has a U-mount bracket affixed, with gold knob adjusters to the side, and a removable white light diffuser too. Moving to the back, well, we have the repeated LCD display which we've seen on the remote control. We will look at this into more detail real shortly, but shifting over to the right, there are 2 brightness and temperature control dials. There's also 2 battery slots that take a Sony NP-F550 or a Sony NP-F970. These batteries are not included, but I'll certainly leave links for them in the video description. So yeah, that's exactly what you get in each pack, 3 of everything. And well, let's take a closer look at the lamp tripod stand, which is around 26 inches in length while folded. It does feel quite well made. It's easily adjusted, extended and secured via those moulded adjustable knobs to the side, which when it's all in place and extended to its full capacity, well, this tripod stand reaches around 75 inches high. This light stand does have a 1/4 of an inch spigot to the top, so if you wish you can install the studio light sideways on, or simply place it horizontally to the top of the extended pole. We are going to be placing it vertical today, which will give you a 360 degrees range. So yes, it does have great adjustments, not only vertical, but horizontally too. Everything tightens into place very securely, and the light on top of the tripod actually feels very secure. Let's open up the barn doors to the front, plug it in, turn it on, and take a closer look at that LCD display. It does have a colour temperature reading from 3200K to 5600K. It does have a brightness control readout too. These adjustable dials have great sensitivity and everything is pretty easy to use, to be honest, even without looking at the instructions.
You cheated.
So these actual light units, well, they have 480 LED beads. So there's 240 that are white and 240 that are yellow, with 3360 lumens and a 96 plus colour rendering index.
What does that mean?
Which should result in professional grade rendering.
Right.
Let's check out the initial brightness, going up through those light stages of brightness and colour tone.
That's bright. Well, we've got a bit of David Dickinson going on.
Now remember, you do have 3 of these light units, so if you want, you can set one single remote control to control one single light by pressing that on button on the remote control, that central button, and selecting your light channel number. But if you want to control all 3 lights at one time, well, go ahead and select channel 88. So yes, you do get 3 of these remote controls, 1 for each unit, so I guess you've got plenty to spare. That's good. You can set all 3 lights up, not only to get the best light, but position them in the correct manner so to avoid casting shadows too. We have set them up just like so, and we are filming today with the Makeup in Time channel. So yeah, we are using this whole Neewer light setup, which I must say is surprisingly good for tight, small, compact areas too. This whole light kit should fit easily into little pocket areas within your home, and right away we did notice a massive difference in quality while recording. Lights were set to our specific settings and placement, which were not only super bright, but vibrant too. You can also use these lights for overhead shooting, for example, on my tech review channel, which does give a central, focus quality based picture while recording. That barn door and removable diffuser does help precisely control the direction and light spread, keeping stray lights from areas that reflect sometimes into the camera lens, causing flares. No, not them flares, don't be silly now. The diffuser certainly softens the light source, and I think it enhances skin tone too. This definitely is an excellent package, and I think it's fantastic at enhancing facial features. And well, overall, I really think it would fit in, say for example, in a photography studio, for makeup tutorial videos, vlogging, interviewing, etc. And this whole entire package, well, it can be set up within 5 minutes. So yes, it's certainly very practical, especially with those handy zip bags. The remote control is very simple to use, adjusting the colour temperature from a great distance. In close proximities, I'd say that 2 lights are good enough, but with the whole 3 light set, just gives you the added quality, and while on the go, I'd say that the light stand and the lights are very robust and compact compared to, say, those softbox lighting kits. I must say I'm glad that we got to review these lights today, and if we were to rate these Neewer studio lights out of our usual rating out of 10, then today, I've really got to be honest and give this whole package a massive 10 out of 10. Not only did they do the job well, but the performance was surprisingly great. They never felt too hot after long use, they are very affordable compared to other lighting kits on the market, and I definitely can recommend them if you're starting out on YouTube and you're working within a budget. I have left a few handy links to all my reviewed Neewer products within the video description down below. Be sure to go ahead and take a look, and if you like what you see, well, go get yours. Please guys, go ahead, go over to the Makeup in Time with Julia channel, show some support and subscribe too. But don't forget, please smash a like on this video just here. And while you're there, why not subscribe to my channel also? And when you do that, please make sure you hit that bell notification option so you guys stay updated on all my new uploads. I hope to see all you guys on the next video, which will be coming very, very soon, so stay tuned for that one. It is going to be very interesting. And well, thank you ever so much for watching, and thanks for your support. Peace!
Hey.